Have you ever wondered why we get a cough? Coughing is actually our body's smart defense mechanism. When dust, smoke, mucus, or germs enter our airways, the body tries to throw them out. Our brain quickly sends a signal to the chest muscles to push out forcefully, and that's how a cough happens. It helps clean the throat and protect the lungs from infection. Sometimes a cough can be dry, and sometimes it brings out mucus. But if your cough lasts for more than a few weeks or comes with fever or breathing problems, it's time to see a doctor. Thank you for watching. Like, subscribe, and share for more videos.